Good morning, friends. Where are you going today, Jeff? Today we go to the Hawaii Kai, just past coastal area, heading out to nearby Hanama Bay. And the location we're going to check it out today is called the nearby Coco Marina. All right, so follow me. Very exciting day. Hello, friend. All right. Okay, so look at this. This is Hanama Bay. This is where people coming out from Hanama Bay. Okay, and right now it's about 4 o'clock. So if you done Hanama Bay, we just like right here. We have another home here. It's called the Hawaii Kai, and this is by the Park Lock area. And like about less than a mile here is go to the Hanauma Bay, your famous the snorkel in Hawaii. Okay, so let me turn back the camera so we're going to show you where we're going heading to. This one of the they have the a porch with all the water wave and the bay, and also have malasada. Yeah, you know it's famous in Hawaii. It's called the Hawaii donut. It's called malasada. So right there you see the Texaco gas station. That's the gas malasada here. Okay, so there will be one of the open house here from the five-star realty, and we have the opportunity to show you one of the great beautiful home here in the Hawaii Kai area. And this featuring here, let me see where my paper is, the 6 bedroom and 5.5 bed and 8,000 square feet lot, and with a 5,000 square feet home, so very large. Okay, so what I have here is this water meter or gas? I forgot. They just recently remodel. So right here, probably this is the party wall, and go all the way back. And this is the frontage. So the front is from right here, my finger. They have a two parking garage design here on a parking lot right here. And also this is belong to the home that we do the video today. Okay, so let's walk to the home. So this is, they have very beautiful uh, handmade copper door is open. Okay, this will go all the way to the back. So they have a very big tall condenser, and also they have the evaporator for heating. Walkway here, beautiful out, nice garden. All right, okay, so walk back to the main house. Look at this. Okay, so this is a waterfall too. So right now, maybe the water pump is out. So when you come back, when you buy the property, you can have a new water pump. They have a waterfall right here. So also for the swimming pool, great. You know, if you doesn't have enough, and sometimes you want to go indoor fresh water, is the cozy bath and stuff. You can do it here. So this is go to the Raraj right here, Raraj, or also the Ohana. So this is a Raraj. Okay, we mentioned about. So there is the electricals with the remote control, and also have all the cabinet here. All right, so two-car garage with remote control and the very solid wooden door. This is very good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, so this is one of the Ohana that the lady just Icy just mentioned. It's about the is additionals. So let's make it about 6 bedrooms. Okay, so this is the the curtain, to cover the shade. So in evening, either you're going to go to the back. Oh yeah, they have a beautiful what's it called the park with the lagoon and all the beach. Look, check it out, all the wind. Okay, so this is the main two door. This two these two doors. Okay, so there's a very high ceiling. I think this is about 20 feet ceiling, very high. Okay, so we just step in. We walk into the main door, and I think the lady is talking about this is the Honda units here. This is brand new with one air bath and a bath too. Look at it, it's very large. Okay. Oh yeah, they have AC too, so very cool in here. And have all windows and the tile. This is the this is that's about 16 square feet tile, and this is one. They have a bathtub, bed, and also they have a kitchen area too. Oh my goodness, there's a kitchen in here too. So when you if you don't want to go to the main room, you can go in here, and they have the pantry and large kitchen window. You can cook. This is gas. Oh, okay. So you have a large refrigerator. The wooden cabinet, this home wood cabinet is good, unbelievable. The door like this, I think it's about $2,000. So just you count the door only, $2,000 multiply. The home like this, $25 minimum, 20. Just for 16, yeah, you got 16, yeah, it's about 20. So $2,000 a door, maybe. Okay, maybe more. Okay, okay. So this is second. Okay, so look, go back to the wooding area. The oh my God, it's good. Okay, what is it? Okay, so this is full side. This is oh yeah, this is gas stove. Look at this. It's from Wolf. Okay, so six cabinet, six oven here. The counter. This is good. You can have 10 people in here to surround this area in the Thanksgiving or Christmas, whatever. Okay, so if you walk back here, is the laundry room area. And look at the door again. I'm so sorry. I'm laughing because a home like this, all in all like this, if you count the door, like about 20 or more. I don't know. Or look at the cabinet. It's amazing. I like the cabinet. Oh my god. I'm not checked for termite. Okay, this is not fun. I'm just saying that the hardwood like this, you hardly see, and This is ready for you to move in. They have everything is empty out, so everything here is ready for you to move in. All you do is just got the suitcase and ready. You just because the what you call the coconut cocoa marina cocoa head, yeah, the shopping center is just on the right side. You walk in distance, 10 minutes. I'm so 5 minutes. So no need car, no need parking, no hassle. Don't worry anything. Just walk over, then you can. Okay, so all right. Anyway, let me review for the kitchen area again. You see how large that is. Okay, so this table, and later on you can have your size of family. You know, you can upgrade to a 10, uh, 20 feet by 6 feet dinner table or something. That's just your choice. So, okay, anyway. Okay, so this is a large living room area. Dining room with the TV right there. This is what I like. You know, you can have your wireless remote control here, sit at the table, and you watch the game, watch evening news, and this is where to go. This I like. This is the setup that I like because usually you spend most of the time just about 2 hours in eating, and what is that? You can watch the canoe boat ride right here in the marina. Oh, you wanna check it out the marina? Okay. If you have a boat, you don't have to worry about a marina, or just step outside like this. Okay, you know what? I'm speechless to see something like this. Please give me a comment where going to utilize this area here. Please help me out. And because I don't have imagination like you have. So let's go back here. We come back here. So this is there. So this is a half bath. This is for the guest room that they can use the toiletry around here, right there. You can wash and clothes. This is the cabinet for toiletry right in below the stair. Okay, so left hand side is the living. Let's go. No cheap. I don't like people cheap. Let's go. We can have this table. You can have anything you want. So we have a room right here is family. You can have extra pool, thing that you can grab next to the supermarket there. Let me review again. So with this open window here, you can see right outside, with the swimming pool area with the family. So your eyes and ear everywhere. This is nice. The woodwork is amazing. Median the island, so you can stand and rest. Oh, this you can carry this island here. You can and look at this chandelier. Yeah, it's nice. I think it's perfect. Okay, so beside the island, there's like about 6 steps here. You can go to the up the floor. Yes, again. Let me. Okay, so the floor up here, the 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 wooden floor is so solid, and the price that they're asking with this home here, I think is amazing, suitable. And look at the stair area. Look at the stair, the air out area here. It's beautiful. It's large. So there will be 5 bedroom up here, the second floor. This is bedroom number one. View all over. So when you open it, if you open in the morning, you can check it out the weathers. You can check it out some fresh fish, fresh cat of the day. You can have ready for dinner. Only fresh cat for dinner. The wooden floor is amazing, and this is a large room. I'm not sure this is the man bedroom, or but the sliding door here. I'm not checking for termite. I check to see how solid and it's so heavy. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy. It lasts you long time. Look at the door again. Uh, okay, this is the bathroom. This is a bathtub. You can have a bathtub here. Lighting, everything's okay. So this is room number one, or for the second floor. This is room number two. This is look this is same size. Yeah, this it's about the same size. Same too. The sliding closet or the wooding. Oh my goodness! Ah, look at this. The wooding is amazing. Okay, so the jaws too. Okay, right here you can look for the traffic. You also look. Oh, the swimming pool is large swimming pool. Look at this. And it's about 13 or 14 foot wide, and like it's about 28 or I think it's about 35 feet long pool. Very large. Okay, this is room number two, and you want I don't know what's that called. I don't know what's that called, but this is another room. Oh, this is a large room too. So all the room here pretty much identical. It's so big, so large. And again, oh, must be the man bathroom because oh, this is a walk-in closet right here. Look at that. You can have a lot of stuff and a wooden floor. Look like brand new. And the tile floor. Two sink, bathtub, standing shower. Look like a YMCA taking shower. It's very large. Look at this. The bathtub. Very deep. So two toiletry there. And the door too for privacy. Okay, so look like this is the main door, the main bedroom. That's large. Okay, let's go the other side. Are we on the other side? Okay, not yet. Okay, so if you want to open the door here and go to the okay, folks. So what we're back here is the White Kite Marina. If you buy this home and you buy for me, I will catch fish for you. You get a fresh fish for a week, guaranteed. I will get the fish from the waters, and I forgot to let you know that I'm a good chef too. And I just make you. You can make any day of the week, and give me a time so you can catch the fish and cook for you for a week. And just because you buy the property for buy this one for me, promise. Hello, friend. Good afternoon. Jeff here at Sector 21, and I'm glad to show you another is outside of our scope today. And instead of go to the real estate, but today I stopped by the store Guess what? It's called Ferguson. It's why Ferguson? And you know what? It's years ago, and when you almost starting to get your own house or own property, and you look around and do the renovation and inside, outside, everything like that. And sometimes is and then you gotta look around, and you never know. Usually you go the home or low, but today I give you another name that you go outside low and low and Home Depot. And look at the name again. It's called Ferguson, and I'm glad that to be the host today. This is my own how to show you appreciations of when you pretty soon you're going to own a home or you really have a home and you want to modernize your kitchen and bath. And this is the place, Ferguson Showroom, Wholesale and Retail. All right, follow me. Okay, so what I have here is a Ferguson Enterprise is one of the largest suppliers of kitchen and bath, and this is the product that we just read over, and it's not in any order. The first of all is called the kitchen appliances. Number one will be Bosch, Genea, KitchenA, American Standard, Thermador, Melee, Sub-Zero, and this will be the bath fixtures and fitting will be Kohler, Delta, Moen, Gohi, Brizo, Exhaust. And okay, and this will be the lighting in the category S is called Minka Levery, Hingley, Hickler. And the next one will be the grill and outdoor will be Lynx, Napoleon. And outer will be Fisher and Paykel, LG, Samsung, and more. All right. Hi, I'm Jeff again. Thank you for finally following me to the video, the end of the video clip here. And this is my summary about the Ferguson. Ferguson is like the adult candy store. So to me, is amazing products that you never see when I even though I show in all things. And some home that they have very amazing of the fixtures or the lining and everything's inside the home of remodeling. And probably they shop here because to me that they have amazing products of all the brand name that I want to mention, and also we can see you inside the clip that all the brand that we never heard of before or we see that before. So hope that you enjoy the what we shopping experience at the Ferguson, and you never know. This is just in Kalihi area, and they have a very large parking lot. So this is my opinion only, and just for shop and your experiencing of shop here at the Ferguson. Hope you enjoy the video. See you soon.